Hi, we carry on with our lesson about forming the comparative and the superlative with adjectives. The last time we talked about forming the comparative with short adjectives, regular and irregular. Today we continue in this process and we talk about forming the forming the superlative with short adjectives. Okay, so let's get started. Short regular adjectives. Use. Remember, I explained to you that when we use the comparative form, we compare one person to another person, or an object to another object. Here, with the superlative, it's different. Okay, so what happened in the superlative? In the superlative, a person or an object is compared to a group of people or a group of objects, which means that we compare one person to a group of people, one object to a group of objects, okay, which is different from the comparative form. Okay, so this is the superlative form. Okay, now what is the structure or the rule? How do we form the superlative with short adjectives? It's very simple. The definite article, the, plus adjective plus est. Okay? Example. Look at the adjective large. Large is a short adjective. So what is the superlative of the adjective large? It's the largest. Okay? The largest. Another example. Small, the smallest. Okay? Small, the smallest. Okay? So to understand more, let's look at these two sentences. Yasin is the smartest in class. Okay? The smartest. Smart is the adjective, plus est is the superlative. So here we are comparing Yasin to a group of people is the class, the whole class. Okay? His classmates. Another example, he is the richest man in town. He is the richest. Rich is the adjective, richest is the comparative adjective. We are comparing he, a person, a man, to all people that live in his town. So we say he is the richest man in town. Okay? Good. So these are examples with short regular adjectives. Now remember, when we talked about the comparative form with short adjectives, we also talked about irregular short adjectives that do not follow the rule, which is adjective plus er. Remember, what are these short adjectives? Do you remember them? Okay, very good. So we have good, bad, far, many, little. Okay, do you remember them? Okay, good. So good, the comparative form is better. Okay, bad, the comparative form is worse. It's the same here. We have the same irregular adjectives in the superlative form. Okay, so good becomes the best. The best. Far, the farthest. Bad, the worst. Many, the most. Okay? Examples. I am the worst at maths. Okay? Here I am comparing myself to the whole class. Okay? It means I am very bad at mathematics and nobody is worse than me. I am on top of those who are very bad. So I say I am the worst in maths, at maths, sorry. Second example, we are the best in the world. We are the best in the world. Here it's the best is the superlative of good. Okay, so good, better, the best. Okay, so recapitulation. In this lesson today, we continue with the comparative and superlative form, And here today it's about how to form the superlative form with the short adjectives. Okay, so we said that we in the superlative form we compare one person to a group of people or one object to a group of objects. And what is the pattern? It's very simple. It's the adjective, it's the definite article there plus adjective plus est. Okay, and we finished with irregular short adjectives, good, which becomes best, and far, which becomes the farthest, etc. Okay, thank you very much.